If Windows is flagging the C Library DLL as missing or corrupted, you're in the right place. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and let's resolve this together. To start our troubleshooting for C Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the C Library. This library acts as a lightweight shim or wrapper for the C standard library functions. It is typically found in specialized portable applications or specific gaming repacks to facilitate localized calls to the heap manager and string handling routines without relying solely on the system's global UCRT. Corruption in this file prevents the application from managing its internal memory states, leading to an immediate crash to desktop, C.dll, with no error message. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Reinstalling your software runtime is usually the quickest solution. Go to Microsoft's site, grab the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers and install them to replace the missing file. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing C library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Most individual downloads of C Library DLL lack a valid digital signature, meaning they have not been verified for authenticity or safety by the original software developer. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with C Library and PC Health. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve C Library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.